Money and happiness. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Madalas sinasabi ng tao, okay na maging mahirap, basta masaya. Kesa maging mayaman, kung malungkot ka naman. Kaya naman we subconsciously ignore wealth in our life. We don't value saving money and investing. We avoid growing money. But let me tell you, na you don't have to choose from these two options. Kasi may third option pa. And that is, you can be rich and happy at the same time. First, let me ask you, who is happier? A father who is present on his daughter's school activity? Or a father who is not, because he needs to work overtime just to pay off his debt? My point is, when you have money, you can have more time with your family. Second, who is happier? A man who can donate to church, or a man who cannot donate because his salary is not even enough for his family's living? Money can be a tool to help others. Praying for others is okay. Pero mas okay kung magdo-donate din tayo to help charities. If your purpose is to love, serve, and help more people, you will be inspired to earn more money. Third, sabi nga sa financial seminar na na-attenan ko, being wealthy is more than having money. Being wealthy is having options. And in life, you always have a choice. But if you cannot find your choice, you have no choice. If you have savings, you have many options. You can travel to Palawan, to Davao, to Batanes, to Japan, to US. Pero kung wala kang pera, you have no choice. You don't even have time to travel kasi kailangan mo mag-overtime to pay your bills. If you have savings, you can live to a better place, wherever and whenever you want. Unlike pag 3,000 per month lang budget mo sa rent nyo ng family mo, kahit ayaw mo na sa kapitbahay mong chismosa, maingay, bad influence, wala kang choice. Di ka makalipat kasi wala kang budget to transfer to a better place. Fourth, when it comes to your career, if you have savings, you can build your own business, or kung mag-a-apply ka as employee, pwede kang mamili ng job offer. Unlike pag wala kang pera, kahit maliit offer sa'yo na sweldo, grab agad kasi kailangan mo na agad ng trabaho. These are just some benefits of having money or savings. Money can buy more than expensive material things. Madalas akala natin, ang happiness kapag nakapag-selfie ka sa mamahaling restaurant or nakabili ka ng mamahaling gadget. If that's your definition of happiness, yes, magiging masaya ka, but it's only temporary. The true meaning of happiness is using your money to have more time for yourself and for your family. The true meaning of happiness is being free to do what you want to do with your time. And lastly, the true meaning of happiness is using your money as a tool to love more people. How can you start saving money so that you can be rich and happy at the same time? Just keep in mind the saying that no pain, no gain. You have to discipline yourself. When you discipline yourself, it's choosing temporary pain today to experience permanent gain in the future. Don't be like majority who choose the other way. They don't want to delay gratification. Hence, they are choosing temporary gain now that will result to permanent pain tomorrow. Praying for your happy and prosperous life. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.